Hello, Shin here, and tonight I'm gonna show you one of the most basic but helpful functions on Adobe Photoshop. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna show you how to copy. Now, the copy function, like I mentioned before, is very essential, very basic, but it very often comes in handy whenever you want to copy a picture of a portion of a picture into the clipboard. This function is your best friend. Now let's get on to it. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do this. Now on the left side of the Photoshop window, we should be able to see the toolbox. Let's select the Marquee tool. You can use the rectangular, elliptic, or single row. I never use this, to be honest. Let's select a rectangular ellipse. You can also use the lasso, but for this tutorial, we're gonna go with the basics. Let's once you selected the Marquee tool, let's select the area where you want to copy. That's right, that's a nice big area. Once you selected the area, let's move on to the menus on the top of the window. Let's locate Edit, and then you should be able to see this option, Copy. Let's click on this, and then the picture should be. What? What do you mean the selected area is empty? Okay, let's try it again. Let's move on to the Edit menu. Let's select Copy. Okay, there's something wrong with my Photoshop or with the picture. I don't know. Let's try it again, shall we? Okay, so I think something might be wrong with the previous picture. So let's try that again with another picture. This one should do the trick. This is actually not quite as big, but it should be easier for Photoshop to handle. So let's try this again, shall we? Let's select the rectangular Marquee tool, and let's move on and select the area we want to copy. Let's do this. Yay! So far, so good. Let's copy it and... What do you mean? Okay, this is not good. This is not good. This is getting frustrating. Okay. You better cooperate, Photoshop. Okay. Okay. Let's figure this out. You know what to say. Third time's a charm. So let's try this again, shall we? Let's select the Marquee tool, and let's select the area where we want to copy. Yeah, that's nice. That looks good. Yes. All right, Photoshop. Let's do your magic. Okay. Okay, what is this? This is not what should be happening. Okay, you know what? I'm done with Photoshop. Fuck this.